Being part of the Marine Recon Foundation means, for me, being part of something that's much, much bigger than myself.
Carry the names of lost ones overseas deeply in our hearts and sometimes on our backs at races.
It has given me the same drive that the military gave me and the same camaraderie that being on a team again gave me. So that's what being on the Marine Recon team means to me.
So the athletics department within the Marine Recon Foundation has 3 reasons. The first is obviously to promote the mental, physical, and spiritual well-being of the athletes. A lot of us, when we get out, we kind of lose our sense of purpose a little bit, for me personally. And through becoming an athlete and being with like-minded individuals once again, we basically find that purpose and brotherhood again. Because everything we're doing, all of our races, all of our events, all of our competitions, is for a greater purpose than ourselves.
In endurance training, it's also my choice. It's a privilege to do what I can do. So when I find myself in those deep, dark places, I think about my military career and where it drove me to go then and where it's driving me now.
So when you give a Marine a goal and a team again, they once again find that drive that, like I said before, sometimes gets lost when you separate from the military. And with that drive, it pushes you to, when you get into that dark place, maybe at the tail end of a race, and you're thinking about dropping out, you're thinking about slowing down or quitting, you think about what you're doing it for, why you're doing it, and the goals, especially the Gold Star families you're doing it for. It gives you such a greater sense of purpose and motivation that digs real, like much deeper than any other motivation.